how to fix the allow access to camera missing on your iPhone apps. So this typically affects apps such as Snapchat or anything that uses the camera, and sometimes you may experience an issue where you can't allow your camera access. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways to solve this. So first, just go and open up the settings on your iPhone. You then need to scroll down to screen time and click on this. Scroll down to content and privacy restrictions and click on this. And just make sure your privacy restrictions are turned off like so. You could then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to privacy and security and click on this, and then scroll down to the camera and click on this. Now just make sure the camera is enabled for the application you want to allow access for. As you can see, most of mine are already turned on. You then need to head over to the home screen on your iPhone, and if it's still not working, we can try deleting the app that we're having issues with. So for me, I'm having issues with Snapchat, so I'm going to hold down on the application, click on remove app, and then press delete app. Just press the delete button to confirm. Once it's been deleted, you need to go and open up the App Store, and then you'll just need to re-download the app onto your phone. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far and you're still having the allow access to camera issue, the final solution is to go and open up the settings. You then need to scroll down and click on General, scroll right down to the bottom and click Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and then just press Reset Location and Privacy, and then you'll just need to enter the PIN code to your iPhone. Once you've done this, you can try opening back up the app, and that should have now solved the allow access error. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.